YouTube Studio logo. Today in our company logos redesigning series, we have a YouTube Studio logo. So we're going to redesign this YouTube Studio logo inside Adobe Illustrator here in this video. As usual, if you have any company logo you need me to redesign, just write down in the comment and I will reply by telling you the exact date when your video will be ready. So let's go today with the YouTube Studio logo and try to redesign it one step at a time. So first of all, inside Adobe Illustrator, we're going to draw the polygon, which is the base shape of the YouTube Studio logo. So in the tools bar, I'm going to select the polygon tool over here like this one, and I'm going to draw it over here. So just hold Shift and R to make it perfect like that one, and we need to rotate it. So I'm going to hold Shift and rotate it perfectly just like that one, and we need to give it color. Let us give it the red color is how it is in the YouTube Studio logo. And from here now, as you know, in the YouTube Studio logo, the corners in our polygon are not sharp like this one, so we need to make the round corner in this polygon. So I'm going to this direct selection tool, and I want to make this corner a little bit smooth, not so much, but just a little bit like that one. I like that one, I like that one. And after having it like this one, now we're going to duplicate it. So I'm going to hit Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy and paste it in front like this one. So as you can see here now, in our layers we have now double polygons, so I've made a copy of the same polygon. So I'm going to select this top here like that one, and I'm going now to make it smaller. Holding Shift and Alt, I want to drag it to make it smaller and to drag it inward like that one. And now in this small polygon inside, I just need the stroke for it, and the white stroke is how it is in the YouTube Studio logo. So now after this one, I want to make here the stroke maybe at 7 points. So again, I'm going to add it 7 points just like that one. And now guess what, we need to add the play button at the middle of the YouTube Studio logo. So how are we going to add it? We are going again to add the polygon tool, but now we're going to click it like that one, and before drawing it, we are going to click first, so it opens this dialog bar, so we can decide how many sides we need here. So because we need the play button, so we need only 3 sides. So I'm going to light here 3 and just click OK, and boom, it has came just like that one. Let us try to reduce the size of it. So holding Shift and Alt, I want to reduce it, make it smaller just like that one. I don't need the stroke, but I need it to be white colored, so I'm going to give it a white color just like that one, and we need to rotate it to be like a play button, as we know. So I'm going to hold Shift in order to make a perfect rotation just like that one. Looks okay. Well, as you can see now, we're almost there. So let us try to light a YT Studio here down below our logo, as how it looks like when it is in devices and something like that. So let us try to type here and see. Like that one, I like the font nicely. As you can see now, we're done making YouTube Studio logo inside Adobe Illustrator in just a few minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if it is like that, give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this one. Don't forget to tell me in the comment which company logo you want me to redesign here inside Adobe Illustrator in the next series. So keep designing, keep making stuff, keep pushing your limit, and most of all, have fun of it. See you in the next Thursday.